friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we forget Bluetooth device network in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to forget your Bluetooth device network, when you can forget. And friends, now let's see how to forget Bluetooth device network in our Samsung phone. Means guys, you have connected guys any Bluetooth headphone you want to forget to your phone. So then how can you forget guys your Bluetooth headphone to your Samsung phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. When we will on our phone setting and guys we will scroll it. Guys, phone connection setting, tap here guys, click on phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, you can see guys we have connected guys this ptron BT company headphone guys. We will click on this right side option and you can see this rename option guys, tap here. Friends, you want to rename guys the device name, so friends you can rename in your Samsung phone guys if you want. Friends, you can see this unpair option. Friends, tap here to forget guys, tap here to forget. Then guys, you can see this headphone will forget guys, we cannot use this headphone. As you want to use guys, you will have to connect again your Bluetooth headphone, then guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye friends.